Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Alexa routines and delete automation from smart home. Full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Alexa routines, first, open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Log in with your Amazon account if you haven't already. Once in the app, navigate to the More tab located at the bottom right corner. Select routines from the menu options. You will see a list of all your created routines. Choose the routine you want to delete. Tap on the routine to open its details. In the routine detail screen, look for the three dots in the top right corner. Select the three dots to reveal additional options. Choose Delete from the menu. You'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Tap Delete again to confirm. The routine will be removed from your account. To delete automations, return to the main screen of the Alexa app. Tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen. In the Devices section, navigate to the Automations tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your smart home automations. Select the automation you wish to delete. Tap on it to view its settings. Look for the option that says Delete at the bottom of the screen. Confirm the deletion when prompted. The automation will now be removed from your smart home setup. Repeat this process for any additional routines or automations you wish to uninstall. Now you can enjoy a more streamlined smart home experience without unnecessary routines and automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.